Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Thank you for sitting down nicely over there. So like I told you previously, we are going to have science experiment.
Yes.
Yay! So Miss Pink, what is the experiment we are going to do for today?
Okay, so today we are going to make bouncy
What
egg.
is bouncy egg? Egg cannot be bounced, Miss.
That's why, Miss.
We cannot bouncing the egg.
Yes,
what you
of
talk
course.
about?
Can you bounce the egg?
No.
I don't think so. But
Oh.
today I will show you how to do it. How to
let's
make
see.
bouncy egg. Okay. Things that we need are vinegar. What is this? Egg. Glass. And then also plate. Okay. So first, we have to put the egg on the glass like this.
And
then we put the vinegar.
a bottle of vinegar.
Yes.
Can I just use a spoon?
No,
and then
you
mix
can't.
it with
You
water?
have to put the vinegar until the vinegar cover up all the
part of egg.
yes,
Part of the eggs.
The
Okay.
eggs. Okay. Wait.
The smell is not good.
Can you smell?
It is having bad smell. I don't like it.
Yes, but it is science, so you have to do it, right? Is it okay?
Wow.
Okay. Okay. Can you see, kids?
This bubble is coming out.
Yes. Can you see the bubble?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you know what is that?
I don't know, Miss.
You don't know? Okay. So the vinegar, when vinegar meet with the eggshell, it can create chemical. What is that? It's a chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction.
Yes,
Okay.
chemical reaction. That's why, look, it will, the vinegar will wash away all the eggshell.
Okay.
So,
So how long it takes?
you have to put it 1 until 3 days.
1 till 3 days?
Yes, you
So
have
we will
to
stay here
wait.
till 3 days.
No, just put it here. But Miss Pink already prepared. Okay.
Wow.
Egg that already soaked by the vinegar for 1 night. Okay.
Okay.
It looks like this. Can you see?
Yeah.
Ooh.
The color has changed.
Yes, it's a change because of the
Vinegar.
Can you see? Do you want to touch it? The brown color is the eggshell. It's already washed away by the vinegar. Okay. So it's time for us to wash it. Okay. Prepare basin also. Put it here, and then we're going to wash.
We have to wash it.
Yes, we are going to wash it. You have to touch it, Miss. It's very, very.
Oh. So soft.
Soft, right? Okay, after we wash it,
Then what we
put
gonna
it
do?
on the plate, and then look at the egg. You can see inside the egg, right?
Yeah.
Yes, because the eggshell is already gone.
Okay then.
And then it's time for us to make it bounce. Are you ready? Let's
Yeah.
count together. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, it's fun.
One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Ooh, 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Wow. But if you use the egg, can you make it bounce?
No.
But look at here.
Wow.
Ooh, is it cool, right?
Yeah.
So you can try at home with your mommy. Yeah?
Yes. And don't forget to record it
Yes.
while you are doing it. Don't forget that you have to wait a night. Yes, Miss?
night. Just leave it a night or
Yeah.
maybe 2 days.
Yes. After a night or 2 days, you may take a picture of your science
Bouncy?
experiment,
Yes.
Bouncy egg.
Okay. So that's all for our science today.
Let us
Let's tidy up.
Everybody tidy up, tidy up, tidy up. Everybody tidy up. Just like me. Okay, so that's all for today. See you on next video. Bye.